Hello, this video is for Wednesday, September 30th, so the last day of the month, September 30th. Let's get started with our daily packet. So today we are on Unit 2, Week 2. We're on Day 3. So here it says, choose the word to complete the sentence, so either tree or happy. Could you please chop this tree down? I want to read. I want to read this book. He is a very funny, neat clown. So this one, funny. Read the sentence, then write it correctly. Sammy hasn't read the book yet. So first thing is we need to capitalize Sammy. Names should always be capitalized, but here kind of double time because it's the beginning of the sentence. Sammy hasn't is a contraction, so we need that apostrophe before the T. Hasn't read the book yet. That gets a period at the end, so we need that punctuation. 11 minus 5 is 6. 7 take away 4 is 3. 17 take away 7 makes 10. 7 minus 1 less is 6. 12 minus 8 is 4. 15 minus 9 is 6. And here it got cut off a little, so I wrote, what is your favorite color? So we have pink has 6 votes, red 10, white 4, green 8, blue 8. So which color has the least amount? So if we look at the graph here, I can tell white with 4 has the least amount. How many more students voted for red than white? So we can kind of look here at how many spaces between these two. But we have to look on the side. It's kind of blurry on my screen, but you can see that these go by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So then we're going to count each of these little circles as 2. 2, 4, 6. 6 more students voted for red than white. We can also do it this way. There's 10 red. There's 4 white. If we subtract 10 minus 4, that gives us 6. So that takes us to daily packet. Unit 2, Week 2, Day 3 is completed, which now takes us to our pamphlet grammar pages. So the grammar pages is practicing contractions. So we have the long version here. Now we're going to shorten them here. So I do not know what I want for lunch. We're going to write the contraction, just the contraction, not the whole sentence. I do not. We can shorten that by saying don't. She could not play in the rain. She couldn't play in the rain. Justin did not want to go home. Justin didn't want to go home. The teacher would not give me extra time. The teacher wouldn't give me extra time. Let us go ride our bikes. Let's go ride our bikes. Your work is not in the basket. Your work isn't in the basket. I cannot believe what she said today. I can't believe what she said today. The dog hasn't been fed today or yet. And this one's actually already shortened, so we can just rewrite it. Hasn't. It's already shortened there. The long version would be has not. The dog has not been fed yet, but it's already as contraction hasn't. Okay, behind here, we're going to underline the contraction in red. Let me find the red here. And we're going to write the 2 words that make that contraction. So first, I'm just going to go through and underline all the contractions, and I can tell where they are by that little apostrophe. So we have didn't, I'll, where'd, we've, we're, can't, he's, don't, you're, and I'm. So those are the contractions. And then we're going to now write the long version, the two words that make that contraction. He didn't do his chores. He did not do his chores. I'll see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. Where'd you get those shoes? Where did you get those shoes? We've all read that book. We have all read that book. We're having a party today. We are having a party today. I can't fly. I cannot, and cannot is kind of funny. It's one word that's actually smushed together already. He's my best friend. He is my best friend. Don't touch the wet paint. Do not touch the wet paint. You're so smart. You are so smart. I'm going to the zoo. I am going to the zoo. That's our pamphlet. Grammar 3 and 4. So now I'm going to go to our booklet and I'm going to continue reading starting on page 22. I'm going to go all the way to page 25. And it says, retell the story using first. So I'm going to write an F for first, then, and last. And then it just asks, how did the billy goats outsmart Troll? So I'll say outsmart Troll. I'll write a little line. So we'll fill in these blanks when we're done reading all the way to 25. First, then last. And how did the goats, maybe I'll write goats. Goats outsmart Troll. How did that happen? So let's reread first. Medium Billy Goat Gruff went next. Trip, trap over the bridge. Who's that crossing over my bridge? Shouted Troll. Just me, said Medium Billy Goat Gruff. I am very hungry. I want to eat the grass on that hill. Well, I am very hungry too, said Troll. I'm going to come and eat you up, he roared. Oh, please don't eat me. I am not that big. Wait for my brother. Great big Billy Goat Gruff is much, much bigger, replied Medium Billy Goat Gruff. A much, much bigger goat, you say? Troll licked his lips. His tummy rumbled. Oh, very well. Then be off with you, he said. Medium Billy Goat Gruff ran off. He ate the sweet green grass. Then great big Billy Goat Gruff began to cross the bridge. He was big and mean. Trip, trap over the bridge. Who's that crossing over my bridge? Screamed Troll. You know it is me, called out great big Billy Goat Gruff. I am very, very hungry. I want to eat the grass on the hill. Well, I am very, very hungry too, said Troll. I'm going to come up and eat you. I'm going to come and eat you up, he roared. We'll see about that, said great big Billy Goat Gruff. Troll climbed up on the bridge. Great big Billy Goat Gruff stopped still. Down went his horns. You can see that in the picture. He rushed at Troll. He butted him once, twice, 3 times. Aye, cried Troll. He tumbled, and you can see that picture too, the bottom. He tumbled off the bridge. Oh no! Down, down, down. He went into the deep water under the bridge. Splash! Great big Billy Goat Gruff went trip, trap over the bridge and up the hill. Soon he too was eating the sweet green grass. Tasty, said great big Billy Goat Gruff. The 3 Billy Goats Gruff lived happily ever after. They always had plenty to eat, and no one has seen Troll since then. Okay, so first, then last. So we've already read the first pieces of the story yesterday. We said the challenges they face is that they're hungry. There's a troll. So first, let's see. I'm just going to write it kind of in notes. Goats and troll are hungry. The goats want to eat the grass on the other side. The troll won't let them. Troll, maybe I'll capitalize. I should capitalize his name. I think it's capitalized. Oh yeah, I was trying to look in the story. Troll won't let them cross the bridge. Troll won't let cross bridge. Kind of writing an incomplete sentence, just as little notes, but I'll know what I meant the troll won't let the billy goats cross the bridge. So that's kind of the first part of the story. Then the goats decide to cross. The first two goats, I'll use the word we'll use later, outsmart the goat. And they outsmart the goat by saying, oh, don't eat me, there's something bigger coming. And then the third one pushes him out of the way and into the water, and he doesn't get to, he gets to go through. So last, they're all over the bridge. They have food, and Troll is gone. He's gone. They said they haven't seen him since. And of course, they lived happily ever after. They're living very happy. So I'll kind of retell again, just as my notes here to make sense of them. So first, the goats and Troll are hungry. So the goats want to eat the grass. The Troll kind of wants to eat the goats trying to cross by, and he won't let them cross the bridge. Then the goats cross the bridge. They decide to try and cross it. The first two outsmart the Troll by saying, nope, don't eat me, there's something bigger coming. The third one, he kind of fights Troll and he wins. He pushes him out of the way. Last, they're all over the bridge. They have food and the Troll is gone. They live happily ever after. So how do the goats outsmart Troll? So the third one does not outsmart him. The third one, he just pushes him out of the way. He's like, I'm hungry, get out of my way. But the first two outsmart him by saying something bigger or someone is coming. So that's how they outsmart him. They're like, ooh, don't eat me. And he's like, oh, okay, I'll wait. Oh, okay, you go too, I'll wait. So they outsmart him by saying there's something bigger coming. Okay, so that is our Billy Goats activity. So reread it, first then last, and how did they outsmart the Troll? Next piece is our lesson 4 of math, which is thinking addition to 18 to subtract. So again, we're kind of sticking to that idea of fact families using the same 3 digits in different ways. So first here, 5 plus 3, 5 plus what gives me 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do it by subtraction also. 8 minus 5 gives me that missing number of 3. 2 plus what is 10? I can do that by solving. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, 2 plus 8 then is 10. 6 plus 9 is 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 minus 8 is 10. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 12 minus 4 will give me 8. So that means that we're going to use the small numbers first. 8 plus 4, big number last, for addition is 12. So those fact families, related addition and subtraction facts. Problem solving. Kate has 6 berries. She then gets some more. We don't know how many more, but she now has 11. So in order to figure it out, we can subtract. 11 minus 6 is 5, or think about it as 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 5 more is 11. So there's 5 berries that were given to Kate. Fred had some apples. He got 3 more. Now he has 9. So finding that missing number, 3 plus what is 9? 3 plus 6 gives me 9. 6 apples are what he had first. Pam has 16 cherries. She eats 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which addition fact helps you find it? So if I go 16 minus 7, that gives me 9. And I can double check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want the 7 plus 9 is 16. Letter C is our answer. A related addition sentence. Write a subtraction story, then write the addition fact that can help you find the story or solve the story. Okay, so I'll stick with cherries. I have 5 cherries. I pick, I'll say some more, but I won't say how many. I pick some more. Now I have, I'll say 11. How many did I pick? So I already had 5 cherries. I picked some more. So in order to find out how many to get me to 11, it's 5 plus something is 11. So that missing digit will be 5 plus 6 is what I picked, gives me 11. All right, so that's topic 3, lesson 4. Please complete your quick check online and practice your español for lesson 3, la ropa en números 31 a 50. Okay, happy Wednesday. See you tomorrow, the 1st of October. Yay!